Enter a profile name. Just going to call it Rob. Enter a username. Enter a password. Okay, I've changed the profile name here to Liz because I already have a profile called Rob. So all you need is a profile name, a username, a password, and you click play. And it tells us that it's created a profile in my documents folder in subdirectory IncredibleBots. So now if I navigate to my documents, IncredibleBots, TwitterBot, I see the profile Liz here has been created. I'm going to close that down and go back to the program. Okay, so the first thing to do is go on to Manage Account and load our Twitter profile in. So my documents, IncredibleBots, TwitterBot, Liz. I load in that profile there. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the mass unfollow feature. So I click the mass unfollow button here, then I click play. The software takes me over to Twitter, logs me in, and now starts unfollowing. It's got 165 people to unfollow here. There you go, it's unfollowed the first person. On to the next person. Unfollowed them. Now it's going to work through the 165 that you see there. Will all be unfollowed. Okay, so now I'm going to stop it. And I'm going to demonstrate the next feature here, which is add by user. So in here I put the name of somebody who I'd like to follow. Let's try Sean Donahoe. And I click play. So it's going to go to Sean's profile and it's going to take 200 of the people that are following Sean. Now Sean's into internet marketing like me, so he's a great guy to follow. So these users are going to be targeted. So it will just go through these 200 people, adding them one by one. Right now I've stopped the software and I'm going to demonstrate the add by keyword feature. So in this box here we put a keyword phrase that we're interested in. Let's try internet marketing tips and then click play. Now the software logs me into Twitter again and also gives a warning here that I don't recommend following by keyword because you tend to get spammers and bots, and that it's far more effective to use the add by user feature. But I'll demonstrate it anyway. So it searches for internet marketing tips and now it's scraping the users that have used that phrase. So it's up to 153, 168, 185, 198, 211, 233. So now it's going to go along to each of these people's profiles and it's going to add them too. Pretty quick, huh? This is a great little program. So you can see that working now. Let's stop that. And now I'm going to show you the last feature, which is the scheduling of posts. Okay, so I've opened a text file here and I've put a few lines in there. Now these are going to be sent out as tweets and they're going to go out at 1 to 2 hour intervals. So the first tweet that will go out will be check out the coolest new IM membership site, http://automatictoolkit.com, and then between 1 to 2 hours after that, it's going to send out the tweet saying, having a break from work to enjoy the sunshine, just to put a more kind of human element in there. And then the next one, check out Stealthy Marketer for Internet Marketing Strategies. Now, each of these updates have to be on a separate line, but you can have as many as you want in there. You could have 1,000 updates if you wanted, and the software would automatically post all of these to your Twitter profile. Okay, so I'm going to save that. Just put it in my documents folder, call it tweets.txt. Overwrite it. Okay, now I'm going to close that down. Go back to the software, and where it says schedule comments here, I'm going to load in that file. Okay, so I go to my documents and I pick up that file, tweets.txt. So now all I have to do is click schedule posts and click play. The software goes off to Twitter, logs me in, and posts my tweets for me. It's as simple as that. There you go, see? Check out the coolest new IM membership site with a link to my site there. So every 1 to 2 hours, this software is going to be posting for you. Can you see why that's like having a VA working for you 24/7, as I mentioned in the earlier video? I think you're going to be blown away by this software, and I'm giving you a really awesome deal. Thanks for watching.